Okay, so for Octave, we can create variables from the command line like this, like x and y. And then you'll notice up here that it's storing x and y. And we can do arithmetic with that. You can do most simple arithmetic or mathematical functions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation. There's a lot of functions like sine that are built in. You can explore the documentation, sine and sine degrees, or sine d. If you'll notice, you can click on the variables and it'll tell you what the value of those variables is. You can also create arrays and matrices. So if we wanted to create a 3 by 3 matrix, we can do it that way. And we can do matrix arithmetic with that, like multiplying a matrix by a scalar. We can create another matrix and do, as long as it's appropriate size, and do matrix functions like matrix addition, multiplication. You can do expressions pretty much the same way you do normal matrix division and multiplication. This could be a useful tool in your math class, as well as a tool that you can use in a lot of other contexts. We can also create arrays. That 1 colon 1 colon 100 creates an array that goes from 1 to 100 by ones. We can create the array from 1 to 2 by 0.1. You can also create the same thing by writing it the straightforward way, typing out each one, but this is a good way to make an array that you can put a lot of values in it really quickly, and the next video will show you one of the uses for that.